Welcome to another Atlas episode. Today we are going to look into how to label these segments one after another. So we'll take it gradually, slowly, so that everyone can be able to understand and be able to pass the assessment. It's not good that someone passes the assessment for you. You should be able to pass it yourself so I can be able to do the work. Let's go. Okay, let's see if the first segment is correct. The ingredients in wok with chopstick in right hand. Okay, I can just call it gas stove, but let's check what is wok because we might not know everything. WOK. Deep round bottom cooking pan originated from China. Okay. Okay. It's the ingredients in wok with chopstick in right hand. That's great. You can see wok right there. So it's acceptable. It's the ingredients. It's stirring it. That's actually stir. Stir ingredients in wok with chopstick. Is this actually a chopstick? No. I don't think so. Now see what are chopsticks. Okay. So what we had before is slotted spoon. The spoon is slotted spoon, not chopstick. As you can see. So we can change this to, we can just change it to spoon. That is, if you are not still too sure that it is slotted spoon, you can change it to spoon. But using slotted spoon will be better. Okay. It's still the same for number 2. Still stir ingredients in wok with spoon in right hand. Still the same for number 3. I will just do copy and paste. Let's see. Number 4. Okay. You see, stir and hold, stir and hold. With number 4, the ego stirs the ingredients and hold spoon. Holding the spoon is not up to 3 seconds, so it's redundant. But we have to write down how many times the ego stirred the ingredients. I hope that is understood. Once the ego pauses, you have to label, give it another label. You have to give the segment another label once the ego pauses. If the pause is up to 3 seconds, you then write down hold. If the pause is not up to 3 seconds, you continue with the next action, which is still stirring. So we have stir ingredients in wok with spoon in right hand. Then the ego pauses and still continue to stir. So you now write down the pause because the pause is not up to 3 seconds. But you write down the stir again, you repeat the same action again. I hope that is understood. Okay, you can see that is the same thing. You just have to stir ingredients. Okay, and hold. That is hold. That is hold. You stir. You stir and hold. Stir and hold. So these are the little things that you have to observe. There's a little bit holding after the stirring. See the 6th one, there is no action. It's just holding the spoon and moving the hands. We don't need the hands, but we need the labeling where is holding the spoon. So hold spoon with right hand. Okay, let's see the seventh one.